Hey everyone, it's Annette. So today we're going to be doing a video featuring MelodySusie Fleurwee Gel Nail Polish Gift Set. This is the Urban Chic collection. I already have an unboxing video, so if you haven't seen that first, go check that out. Today we're going to be doing a look using some of these colors. So let's just go ahead and get into it. So I'm pretty sure that the two colors I will be using today will be P11 Sunshine Peony and P14 Gardenia White. And then also I will be using some of the stickers that came with this gift box collection. So we're just going to be doing a simple design. I already have my nails prepped, so let's just go ahead and get into the video. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had to stick with Sunshine Peony. It is a gorgeous pink. It is so pretty. I just went ahead and used the stickers that came with this collection because they're just so delicate, and I really didn't want to take away too much from the color itself. Thank you so much, MelodySusie, for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. As usual, I will link MelodySusie's information in the description box. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave me comments. Let me know, what do you think about this collection? What do you think about these colors? What do you think about the design? Thank you again so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.